ka na. Makikita na tayo.
Oh!
Wow! Love! Paano yan? Tinatalo ka ni Alu.
Hindi ko nakita yun, oh. Shit.
Try natin yung isaw nila, guys.
Run in Bohol! Eat native. Go Love!
Hey guys, so we're all set for our Bohol race. For the first time, we are going to Bohol for a race, syempre. Kaya, so excited and kinakabahan kami because wala kami masyadong training. Alam mo, nakatawa kasi lagi na tayo walang training. Ito. But before our flight, here's our food from Henry and here's our shopo and Siomai. We are flying to Bohol with Alu and VG. So may proxy po si Papa Louie ngayon, si VG. Naram natin si VG. Buti na lang, pa-weekend na kaya wala siyang work, di ba?
Mapapabuhat mo ba ng bike si VG?
Ha?
Mapapabuhat mo ng bike si VG?
Kaya ako din sinama si VG, guys. Nauutusan ko siya. Di ba?
Ikaw na nagpapa.
Walang reklamo, kaya sabi ko sa mga next race ko, hindi pwedeng hindi ko sasama to. Kasi pag talaga eh.
Start na ng carbo loading.
And then sa Siopaw naman, i-remove ko yung white para first bite ko, yung laman agad.
Really? Ako naman gusto ko yung white.
So, remove ko siya, guys. And then sauce.
Ang ganda din yung mga out of town na we're used now. Looking forward ko sa bakasyon.
Yan.
Tagbilaran, here we go!
Thanks, Bellevue! Thanks, Bellevue! Yay! Welcome to Bellevue Hotel!
How do you say welcome in Bohol?
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Napakala mo naman domestic flight lang to, no? Sorry. Sorry.
Maayong good.
Okay. Okay. Wow. So what can you say about this place?
Oh, it's beautiful. B for beautiful. B for bravo. And B for my baby.
Discuss. Wow, may welcome. Lakas pa ka-artista. Feel ko to-rate ito natin. So let's check the view.
Kaya mo na.
Wow, look at our view, guys.
Yun na yun.
Dito na yung race.
Ay, makikita na tayo.
So, dito yung bike transition.
Oh my God, nandyan lang siya.
So, actually, si VG, guys, so si VG pala, pwede pala siya mag-watch from here. Diba? Chill lang siya dito, mag-focus siya dito. Siya, and kita niya yung start ng swim and the bike transition. Galing.
Nice, no?
This is your bed, ma'am.
The bed.
Pagkakita lang namin yung extra bed, ma'am.
Thank you. Nice.
Nice. Pero kaming third wheel si Alu, kaya...
Hindi, third wheel si VG.
Guys, ang magiging third wheel pala si VG tonight. Siya ang third wheel. Kasi si Alu dito ako matutulog. One room lang.
Actually, dito talaga ako. Thank you po!
And also, guys, meron pa tayong pa-welcome dessert or sweets, diba? For the OOTD. So, where's Ish? Third wheel ka ba talaga for this trip?
For this night lang.
Kasi guys, tomorrow, susunod si Ish. Tomorrow pa yung flight
Dapat
niya.
daw, sumunod talaga siya.
Kasi yung tri-suit mo nasa kanya.
Triceps ko nasa kanya.
Oo.
Parang bakasyon na.
Parang honeymoon lang
Kaya ka ba, coach?
Ayan.
Parang baby number
So,
3 ata.
ayan na po ang idol natin, Coach Mervin. And yung nabudol natin na mag-register, si Ma'am Ada.
Budol na budol.
Diba? Sabay-sabay kami nag-register, tatlo kami.
Tatlo na budol tuloy.
Okay, buo na tayo ng bikes. Yeah, shout out to Moises. and Paul. Paul and Moises. Ayan, buo na tayo ng bikes. Para tomorrow, makaride tayo.
Tatang banal.
Ha?
Ginagawa kasi Paul and Moises.
Oo nga. Grabe yung mga pangalan nyo daw ah. Paul and Moises, para mga banal daw kayo ah.
I didn't see that.
Nagkaano lang ako.
So, who's winning?
Ayaw.
Yeah, but she has a bishop.
Serious, oh?
Oh!
Wow! Love! Paano yan? Tinatalo ka ni Alu. What can you say?
I didn't see that. Hindi ko nakita yun, oh. Shit. So, nandito tayo sa Panglao Bohol.
Wow, vlogger.
Bellevue, it is.
Thank you.
It's
What's your dinner?
Asian dinner for tonight. The girls are having Filipino cuisine, liempo, and kare-kare.
Kare-kare.
Chicharong bulaklak.
Bulaklak.
And of course, rice. Ano yan? Adobong kangkong.
Adobo.
Adobong kangkong.
Oh my gosh, napadami pala yung order natin.
Kayo
Ano
lang.
yan? Carbo loading.
Marami daw silang na-order. Nagugulat pa ba tayo kay Ira?
Sorry na, alam mo lagi yung pinag-away namin ni Gigi. Talaga? Pag nag-edit kami, hindi na siya um-order. Ako na lang kasi laging may sobra. And ayaw niya nang may sayang. Sobra.
Ubusin natin yan.
Tapos
Till
na
tomorrow.
mag-carbo load.
Okay.
Breakfast namin yung Alu. Hindi na maubos. Balu, high five.
Let's eat. Support kita. I'm your sister.
Morning, guys! So, first things first, day before the race, syempre, kailangan naman tayo natin yung swim course. Kaya nag-swim kami ngayon ni Alu, kaso hindi ako nakapagdala ng camera because saan ko siya ilalagay. Kaya now, we're walking, going to our bike to test it out. Since kakabuo lang niya last night, diba? Check natin if wala namang problema, hindi naman ba flat, tamang gearing, and all.
Morning.
Sarap! Deserve!
Ako ba yung masarap? Sorry,
Pwede rin, pwede rin.
Yung palang
Sorry. Ito pala.
Alam mo ba ito ulit, Jim? Kasi nakaka-inspire and encouraging yung mga tao dito. Parang napaka-out of place mo pag hindi ka fit.
Talaga lang.
Sporty or
So
athletic?
parang kasalanan sa Diyos na hindi ka
Grabe ka naman.
magkaroon ng healthy lifestyle sa isang triathlon community.
So, dapat meron kang ginagawang activity din.
And syempre guys, bike check-in na rin today. Iwan natin yung bike. And si Rino.
Nakapag-bike na siya.
Iwan natin yung bike natin, guys.
Dapat mag-narap tayo
Sa
kasi hindi
transition.
tayo
Ha?
makanap.
Hello! Of course, picture tayo. Say hi to the vlog!
Oh my God, I messaged you in IG. Look, oh my God, I'm fangirling. Ma'am, you're here, Basabel.
Oh no, hindi ko pa nakita. Hindi pa siya seen. Sakto, kakababa ko lang. Thank you.
Can I have a photo
Are you from
of you?
Bohol?
No, I'm from Manila.
Ah, Manila rin.
Yeah. But my partner has a Mom, can I have a selfie? Yeah, of course. Yeah, and I'm so proud of you. You're so pretty.
Thank you. Nakakatuwa. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Kahit relay lang, para at least
Oo.
Yeah, okay lang.
Then next time, love, kesa nag-support at nag-watch na kayo ni Papa Louie, you do the swim, since swimmer naman si BG, biker si Papa Louie, and ang runner natin si Ish.
Walang choice
Boyfriend
in
niya.
ito.
Kasi nag-run naman siya, diba? Pero alam mo ba, Lu, si BG, dream talaga niya to finish a triathlon race.
An Ironman race.
Ah, wow, hindi lang triathlon race. Ang yabang.
Sorry, correct me. I stand corrected.
Ay, wait, ganun pala yung sunod pala yan. Ironman.
Idol ko
What?
si Tony Stark.
Oh.
Iron Man. And obviously, Iron Man, the character, is fictional. So, para sa akin,
Baka finish ng Ironman. Hello!
para matawag kang Iron Man, kailangan matapos mo yung isang Iron Man
yes.
race. Tama-tama, M yung logo. So, that's my version of Superman.
Oh!
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it?
May mga nagutom. What's that?
Run in Bohol. Eat native.
Ano yan, love? Fried isaw?
Tempura.
Ha? Tempura. Isaw tempura. Yan. And then, ipa-fry para maging... Okay na, love? O, 3 sticks down. O, meron pa. Try natin yung isaw nila, guys.
Hey, don't go.
Fairness, masarap. Masarap po siya. Actually, nagpasarap lalo yung sauce. No? O, ilan na? O, 5th stick. Grabe, oh.
Kasi 5 for 20.
Ano yun, love?
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad sa tabi-tabi, pero ang sarap. Magkano?
Fresh fruits. 10 piso, isang baso.
Sige.
Nakadalawa na ako.
Saka, di ba?
At 5 isaw. Sarap.
Excuse me. Isaw tempura.
Oh, sorry. Isaw tempura. Iba yun.
Is this yours?
Okay, last carbo loading before the race tomorrow.
Parang everyday carbo load.
Ito na yung last kasi parang na siyang lunch and dinner. Ay, hi Coach Don B. Wait, hindi ba sila before? Hindi rin.
No. I'll join you in all your races. I'll play with you. I'll run with you. I'll swim with you.
But like in the preparation, like not really like the kailangan.
Kain pa. Say hi to the vlog, Adi. Hello. Okay, time for the bike check-in. Thank you. Chine-check. May ganun. Wow, bongga. Bongga naman ng 51.15. Kasi sa iba hindi chine-check. So, ano usually mga chine-check, sir?
Yung brakes, tsaka
Brakes, tires, to make sure na safe.
Oo.
At ano,
Kapag kailangan po mag-check ng tires, check po.
yeah.
Bukas na po yun.
Tingin mo, sir, okay na?
Double check na lang bukas.
Okay. We're here, guys. 429.
Cable tie ko na lang po.
Para saan yung cable?
Para hindi gumalaw.
Ay. Okay, para hindi hanginin. Para hindi hanginin? Yes. Okay.
Relax in the spa.
The calm before the storm.
Hello.
All right, ladies and gents, this is a rolling start for triathletes every 5 seconds. Melbourne Cruz, 50H, Easy East, Alu Lopez.
Go Rang! Go Rang!
You got this.
Ira.
Roel Tuano, Adrian Magabuhay.
Go Love!
And Ira Lopez. Ira going full out. Tristan Miguel, Roel Tuano. Mark Philip Gayston. Harold Baco.
Get up!
And Raymond Philip Escondido. Welcome back, Christopher Apistrano. Natasha Doran Lim.
Drink, 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 drink.
Drink, get a drink.
Go Love!
Benji Matisel. Welcome back, Ira. Let's go and give for Ira Lopez.
Yes. Proud of you.
Welcome back, Alu Lopez. Bill Connolly, welcome back.
Good job, Alu.
That's yours.
Good job.
Munti ko hindi mapini.
But you even finished ahead of Alu.
We have Carlo Emmanuel.
And of course, Rainier Samson.
Like now lang? Kasi nakawalk pa siya, no? Pumunta dito.
Yeah.
Di mo na ba alam na nakawalk ka dito?
Naalala mo?
Nag-aya naman siya. Let's go.
Dahil gusto niya mag-aircon. Papasok na dapat kami sa restaurant. Sabi ko, masyado malamig.
Breakfast pa naman yun.
You want salt, water with salt? Are you conscious? Exhausted? Init, dehydrated?
Gusto yung siguro mo masakit na rin siya mo. Next time. Hypoglycemia function. Low sugar, low blood sugar.
Hey guys, so we're back home and actually this is not the kind of outro that I've imagined because diba ang saya-saya lang natin sa Bohol, going there during the trip and actually ang saya-saya ko rin during the race. Pero wala it happens and part of the sport. Kita nyo naman guys, buti nga umabot ako sa finish line pero after I reached the finish line, nagbonk ako, almost passed out. Conscious naman kasi nakakit ako ng room pero akyat ko ng room guys, naalala ko, nagsuka ako, grabe. And dun tumaas yung heart rate ko kaya I requested for assistance ng nurses and doctors sa Bellevue. So buti na lang talaga meron silang team na nagbantay sa atin that day. So thank you so much Bellevue Hotel and to be honest guys, sobrang ako natakot and na-traumatized that day kasi first time ko na ma-experience yun. Imagine, after the finish line, nagbonk ako, hirap akong tumayo, after 2 minutes, 3 minutes, nakatayo naman ako, nakakit pa ako ng room, pero saan ako nagugulat is, kakit ko ng room, doon pa ako nagsuka, and doon ko na-feel lahat. So, actually, hindi ko pa rin alam yung reason why, but Feeling ko naman guys, hindi siya dehydration kasi every hydration station, nagsastop talaga ako to drink water. If not dehydration, exhaustion, diba? Kasi alam ko naman from the start na kulang talaga yung training ko. Parang ngayon lang ulit ako nag-race ng ganito kawalang training. But again, lessons learned, I learned to listen to my body and nagulat din siguro yung katawan ko, diba? Kaya now, I'm more mindful and extra careful, lalo na meron pa akong Ironman Cebu, guys, this coming August 10. So, now, as you can see, I'm about to swim. Also, guys, in-advise din ako ng doctor sa Bohol na magpa-check up ko. Uwi ko ng Manila. So, nagbuka ko ng executive check-up sa Shinagawa na I'm healthy to do another race. Ito nga, sa Cebu. So, yun, minsan kasi akala natin, porket fit tayo. Baka naman nararamdaman na masama. Okay tayo. So, yun nangyari siguro sa akin sa Bohol. Nagulat talaga yung katawan ko, guys. And again, thank you so much to my sponsors na talagang hindi ako iniiwan kahit may mga gantong nangyayari. Siyempre, New Balance, Coach Flying Donby, Fit PH, Waking Philippines, Trek Philippines, and of course to you guys, thank you so much for the virtual support and my sister Alu and syempre si VG na talagang hindi ako iniwan from the start till the end. Talagang minuntayan lang niya ako and sad lang ako kasi minsan lang niya ako i-watch, diba? Ngayon lang talaga ako nagkaroon ng supporter. May nangyari pang ganito. Kaya, I'm so sorry. Thank you guys for watching this video and I'll see you in Cebu!